jury instructions, you're going to see that it says when the issue of the application of defense to a third person is raised, which it has in this case, the burden of persuasion is on the prosecution to disprove the justification beyond a reasonable doubt. If you have a reasonable doubt as to whether the defendant's conduct was justified by the defense of a third person, you must find the defendant not guilty. Okay? So they're going to try to disprove defense of a third person by argument. Okay? Argument. They didn't put up any evidence up there to say that there was not a defense of a third person. They failed. So it's just not those things that he showed up there, check, check, check. He forgot to check this one. Okay? He didn't check this one because they failed to do it. They could have called Uncle Louie to come up here. Did you do it? No. Disproved. Okay? Of our defense. It had to be immediate. It had to be an immediate threat. That's why he didn't wait till Sunday. He wanted to take care of it now. Okay?
His daughter
if it
was in
wasn't
the
immediate,
house
he would
with
wait till
him.
Sunday. If he wanted to ambush her and kill her, he would have waited till Sunday. She was going to come over.
So the defense argument in closing is that Delgado was protecting his daughter from the now ex-wife. The daughter was in the house with him when this outcry was made. Delgado didn't call the police. He called the ex-wife. He had time to call the police, but he didn't. That is what a reasonable person would do. But this is one of the situations where the attorney just has to just throw things out there and see what may stick. But y'all stay tuned for the next clip, okay?
We'd be here, first of all. If he wasn't abused all these years, would we be here? Probably not. Okay? So, remember how he's been shaped over these years? They threw weight at him. They hit him several times. She told you she's been arrested for beating up her own brother. And her words are laying hands on somebody. Okay, she got arrested. Okay, Billy says that she's got friends in high places. Nothing happened to her. You know, we talked about second chances. How many chances does she have? Her brother, Billy, several times. She admitted to drinking with her kids in the backseat. One of her kids. That's a felony offense here in Texas. Anything happen? Okay, keeps going over and over in his mind. That's what he's thinking. Okay.
There's really not a lot to show regarding the defense closing arguments. This was one of the shortest closing arguments I've seen for a 3-day trial from the defense. So y'all stay tuned to learn the outcome of this case from the best dressed public defender that you know. Peace.